you guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Bree. Welcome. It has been a hot minute since I have filmed a video. My life has just been crazy these last couple of weeks, so I am sorry about that, but I am back. And hopefully I will be able to continue doing these videos for you. My life is going to be hectic for the next couple of weeks still, but I'm still going to try to get fun and amazing content out to you guys. I'm going to try and do some different things on my channel, so stay tuned for that. But in today's video, I am going to be talking about a brand new sister company from Colourpop. Colourpop recently came out with a sister company called Soul Body. I was wanting to do this video a while back. This has been a video in the making for a couple of weeks now, but like I said, my life has just been crazy, but we're still gonna do it. Better late than never, right? So the sister company called Soul Body released all of these, like these shimmering dry oils. So they look so beautiful and fun. That is what we are going to be testing out and playing with today. So if you are interested, then go ahead and just keep on watching. Okay, first of all, I have to talk about the packaging on these. These are so pretty. It's just like this beautiful rose gold packaging. It's everything. So you can buy these individually or as a set. I personally bought the set. So this whole set with the 4 shimmering dry oils and this body kabuki brush was $58. And then also Colourpop has been doing affiliate codes with different YouTubers. So I was able to use Kathleen Lights, this code at checkout, to save some money. So the collection was $58, and then I used the code Kathleen Lights at checkout, which was, so I got $5.80 off of that, but then there was tax as well. So altogether, this collection cost me $55.33 for everything, which honestly was not bad at all. I personally thought that it was a much better deal to get all of these than just 1 or 2, because individually these are $15 a piece. And then I wanted the kabuki brush as well, which is $12. So there were two of the oils that I knew for sure that I wanted, which 15 and 15, 30, and then you add on the brush. So I was basically going to be spending the same amount of money, if that makes sense. So I just decided to get the whole collection, that way I could review it with you guys. So these do come in a glass bottle. They are so beautiful. I love just shaking these up. They look absolutely phenomenal. The packaging of it reminds me a lot of the Fenty Beauty one. This one is glass, just like the Fenty one. The Fenty one, however, is more luxurious looking. Obviously, they're at different price points. This one is like, I can't even remember how much this was, like $58 I think, and then $15, but they're both in glass packaging, which I actually really like the glass packaging on it. The lid, however, is a little bit easy to come off, which is like, at that point I don't know what the point of a lid is if it just comes off so easily. But we're not gonna get too into that. I will go over the different colors with you. So the lightest shade is called Platinum. This is a very like white gold type of shade. The glitter flecks are like that white gold. I think this will be beautiful on like the fairest of the fair skins. However, one claim about this brand is that each and every single shade is supposed to work on all skin tones, which I thought was really kind of cool and very like inclusive to everybody. That's another reason why I decided to get all of them, since they are able to work on anyone's skin tone. But we're going to test that out and see for sure. And then the second to lightest shade is called Soft Gold, which is honestly everything. This one looks like it would be right up my alley. It's not like too pure icy white and it's not too gold. This one actually looks phenomenal in the bottle. Like they all look so beautiful in the bottle. I cannot wait to put these on my skin at all. And then the next one is the warm gold, which looks very, very, very glittery. I don't know if you can see that in the bottle or not. This one is very, very glittery. I have actually already tried this one, and if you want that intense glitter punch, this one is for you. If you don't really like that glitteriness on the body, if you want something more subtle, I would not get this one. I would stay away just because it does have like bigger glitter chunks in it. And then the deepest one in bronze looks like this. This one looks very, very rich and pigmented as well. It almost looks like it has the same sort of like glitter flecks in it that the warm gold one has. The platinum and soft gold look like they have little like itty bitty sparkles in it. They don't look as chunky as the bronze and the warm gold. And then this is what the Soul Body Kabuki brush looks like. It's so pretty and it looks very dense. Actually, I have never tried a brush like this with a body oil or shimmering oil before, so I'm actually really excited to see how I like a brush with these. Now I'm going to be testing out the two lightest shades on each arm, and then for the deeper ones, I'm going to try them on my legs. Then I'm going to just use the brush for all of them as well. So I'm going to work lightest to deepest. Let's read some of the claims on it before we really get into it. What it is: a luxe lightweight dry oil with next level multi-dimensional shimmer infused with coconut, argan, and marula oils for a glistening, good for you glow. Leave skin drenched in an addictive tropical coconut aroma. Ooh, that sounds so nice. Since I actually have used like these two already, I do know that the scent on these are phenomenal. They smell exactly like coconut, like it says on the box. This is hands down the best smelling body oil that I have ever smelled. Like, it's even better than this Sol de Janeiro one. I personally just really, really love the smell of the Soul Body ones. And it also says how to use: shake well, massage into skin using fingertips, or buff into skin using brush. Apply liberally to highlight your highlight. So it says, so for the brush it says apply product directly onto skin and gently buff in circular motions to create the perfect glow. So that is what we're going to be doing here. I'm going to first apply them inside here, and then we will go outside to see the maximum amount of shine that we can get out of this product. Don't mind my farmer's tan. I don't ever let my shoulders out, so they are so much more paler than my arms. Don't mind it, okay? First, we're going to apply platinum on this arm right here. Maybe I should zoom you guys in a little bit. There we go. This is a very, very watery formula. That is something to keep in mind. You do have to work pretty quick with this. So you can definitely see a difference. This one is very much more like glistening than this arm over here without any product on it. And this brush actually does apply beautifully. It feels so soft on the arm as well. On the other arm, we're going to use soft gold. Okay, so instead of trying to like show you guys my legs inside here, I think we're just going to go outside and then I'll apply it outside with you guys, just because it is actually very hard to show this on camera inside here. If I were to do my legs, it'd just be a hot mess. So let's go ahead and go outside and try the other two. Now since we're already outside, I'm just going to go back over my arms with the two lighter shades really quick just to see, just so that you guys can see it a little bit better outside in natural lighting. Okay, you guys, we're back inside. It was hot outside, so I figured that I would come in here and give you like my final thoughts on everything. I did really like the kabuki brush. This was actually phenomenal. It actually keeps your hands clean. That is something that I don't really like with like body luminizers and oils, is that I don't like to get my hands like dirty or like greasy. It's just something that I can't stand. So I did really like the brush. Now these body oils, they smell phenomenal and they actually feel nice and hydrating on the body. My problem with this is that they are not transfer proof. They transfer to literally everything. I can feel that I'm going to get everything so sparkly so quickly. Like, I don't know if you can tell. Let me zoom in really quick, but like right in my elbow crease, it is just all bunching up super badly. Like, look at that. Starting to bunch up right in there, and on my other one as well. I don't know if you can see that. So that right there is one con. Are they beautiful? Absolutely, 100%. And they are correct when they say that every shade is suitable for any skin tone. They don't really have any color to them. They're pure like glitter and oil. They don't have like one definite color, so anybody can use them. But will I be using them every day? No, absolutely not. I won't be. Do I think it's a bad product? No, definitely not. I actually think they're really actually nice. The only drawback is that they aren't transfer proof, like I said. And for me, if I'm going to put something all over my body, I don't want it to move or, you know, flake off or get on anything else, really. That is one of the reasons why I still keep the Fenty Beauty one, is because that one is very sticky, but it does last on your skin all day long. This one, I don't think it's going to do that. I think it is the first thing that you touch going to rub off like that. It's a very good price point though for a body oil and a body luminizer. So if you guys do want to check it out, I say definitely go for it. It's one of the cheaper ones out there. The only bad thing again is that it's gonna get on everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do a video testing out and comparing all of my body luminizers that I have, make sure and leave me a comment down below and I will definitely do that for you guys. But I will see you guys in my next one. I love you all so much. Bye.